everyone and welcome back. Our Temu package has just arrived. Remember, always check me out on our daily every Friday too. I do have two, but I'll reveal in the next video. These little magnets, and this is a cleaning kit. So it just arrived at literally 2:33, and I thought I'd just make it a bit after. So first up, this is like a little thing you can brush across your phone, and then this little guy, it's like air and it squishes the air under things. So let's say this remote, I could squish some of the dirty stuff off it, and then this, like brush some of the stuff off. That's the first couple parts, and then these parts. This you can like brush across things. So this remote, try and brush it. Gets a fair bit of dust off, and then this, like if you have like a phone port or something, you can plug it in and get some of the stuff out. And then this last thing, it can go across things and like get it. So yes, I do recommend this product. It is really good, and hope you guys enjoyed this video.